candlestick, you guys will definitely need to know is something called the tweezer tops. So a tweezer tops is basically a double stick, or rather a double candlestick pattern. Okay, so what exactly is a double candlestick pattern? A double candlestick pattern is basically a candlestick pattern which are made up of two candlesticks. Okay, so a tweezer tops are basically a double candlestick patterns, right? And what qualifies as a tweezer tops is, criteria number one is it must obviously be made up of two candlesticks. Okay, criteria number two is your first candlestick must be a bullish candle and your second candlestick must be a bearish candle. Okay, so tweezer tops basically meaning the first candlestick and the second candlestick, right? The first candlestick must be bullish, the second candlestick must be bearish. Okay, and the thing about this is both of these candlesticks are similar or almost identical to one another, right? So the bullish and the bearish candle basically looks almost the same. So that is why it's called tweezer tops, where basically it looks like a tweezer, a pair of tweezers. They look identical to one another. And what is this? What does this candlestick tell you? Or rather, what does this candlestick pattern tell you? Right? This candlestick pattern tells you that most likely price is going to reverse down into a downside. So a tweezer top is a tweezer top is basically your bearish reversal candlestick pattern. Okay, and it's also very, very easy to spot. So if you see two candles of the opposite color and it looks like the same, most likely it is a tweezer top, and it's only found it's only found at the top of an uptrend, where the first candlestick must be bullish and the second candlestick must be bearish. Okay, so this is your tweezer top. It's basically a bearish candlestick pattern. Okay, next will be something called the tweezer bottoms. So it's basically the opposite of the tweezer top. Okay, it's a 180 degree turn from a tweezer top. So same thing, similar to the tweezer top. Tweezer bottoms basically looks like tweezers. However, the key difference here is your first candlestick must be bearish and your second candlestick must be bullish. Okay, first candlestick must be bearish, second candlestick must be bullish. And of course, both candlesticks must look identical or at the very least similar to one another. So what it basically means? So a tweezer bottom basically means strong bullish pressure. Or rather, it basically means strong bullish reversal indicator. And it's exceptionally powerful when it occurs at the bottom of downtrend. Or rather, it most likely will only occur at the bottom of a downtrend. So when you see it occurring at the bottom of a downtrend, it basically means that price is going to reverse, or rather, it's most likely going to reverse into the upside. Okay, so this is what tweezer bottoms tell you. So as long as you see two candles that look similar to one another, and the first one is bearish, the second one is bullish, and it occurred at the bottom of a downtrend, most likely is a tweezer bottom, and it basically means a trend reversal into the upside, a bullish trend reversal. So these are your tweezer bottoms.
What's up, and thanks for staying all the way to the end of the video. So I hope you made some notes and will take practical actions to grow your account. So we give this free stuff in the hopes to grow you and our own social media presence. So if you could just take the time out of your day to just share with 1 or 2 people, it would definitely mean the world to us. So that being said, I hope you enjoy the rest of our content.